Carbon equivalent, CE. Here's a term you might run across. Carbon equivalent, CE, is an empirical value in weight percent relating to the combined effects of different alloying elements used in the making of carbon steels to an equivalent amount of carbon. This value can be calculated using a mathematical equation. There's a couple of different forms of this equation, the carbon equivalent number. It gets you in the ball game. I had a coworker years ago tell me I was using the wrong one, so I used his number and it was in the same ball game. So just depends on how crazy you want to get with it. And I'm sure there's a metallurgist out there that'll tell you that, this equation is the good one and the other one isn't. But to me, as a welding engineer, gets me in the ball game. Okay, this tells me that I got to preheat this stuff or don't I? Man, it tells you, yeah, okay, this stuff's got a carbon equivalent of about 0.65. Well, I should probably throw some preheat on it before I attempt to weld it. Or the carbon equivalent comes back and it's low enough that you can make a weld without any significant amounts of preheat or post-weld heat treat. So that's what a carbon equivalent tells you. It gets you in the ball game.